Hello, my great students. This is Tinaka's tutorial, and I'll be shedding light on past questions. And you will agree with me that UTME Mathematics is very, very simple as ABC. So on this channel, I'll be teaching you and I'll be solving past questions, UTME past question with you. So if there's any comment you want to make, you can go to the comment section and ask your question. So this is for year 2023, and I will start with question number 1, which says evaluate 4610 base 8 minus 2675 base 8. So let me start with that. So how do we solve this kind of question? So the normal way of simple subtraction, that's the way you will go about it. So let's write the question out first. 4610 minus 2675. Don't forget the base. The base is what? Base 8. Base 8. And this one is, how do we work this one out? 0 minus 5, it's not possible. We are going to borrow as you used to do in primary school. But what we borrow then in primary school, you are meant to understand that you borrow 1, not actually 1. What you borrow then was base 10. The general subtraction addition we normally use in mathematics is base 10. But when we come to number base, this topic is number base, we add different number base. So 2 plus 2 is not necessarily to be 4. It depends on the base. The base here is base 8. So what we are borrowing now, we are not borrowing 10. So in primary section, you'll be told that you borrow 1. You take 1 with 0, it makes 10. That's why they are saying what. If it is 2, we have here, we say 1 with 2, it makes 12. So that's why that one looks like 1. It's supposed to be 10, but it's not 1. So here, what I'm borrowing is what? Is base 8. So if I borrow here, this one turn to 0, I borrow 8. 8 with 0 is what? 8 plus 0 is 8. Then I can now subtract. 8 minus 5, you agree with me that it's going to be 3. Then when we come here, 0 minus 7, is not possible. What do? You borrow. This 6 turns to 5. What do you borrow? You still borrow 8. You write the 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then let's subtract 8 minus 7. You have 1. Then don't forget that you have 5 here now. So 5 minus 6 is not still possible. What do? You go to 4. You borrow. 4 turns to what? 3. What do you borrow? You don't borrow 1. You borrow base 8. Then you write 8. That 8, you will add it together with 5. Making what? Making 13. Making 13. You can now say 13 minus 6. That will give you what? 7. Then 3 minus 2. That will give you 1. So this, our answer is 1713 base 8. You can see that it's as simple as ABC. So if it is base 7, you will do the same thing. What you will borrow will not be 8. If it is base 7, you will borrow 7. If it is base 6, what you will borrow is what? 6, and so on and so on. You will agree with me that this one is very simple. So that's the solution for number 1.